twice this week I recommended shorting Disney. There were actually 3 opportunities to short it from around 95 or 96 per share down to 94 or 95 per share. I just now took a plus 100% return on my Disney put option, and then I used about 45% of my profit to buy a new put option, although honestly I should have waited to see if it went back up first. Like I've been saying, these big cap stocks like Disney, AMD, Apple, or even SPY are honestly overdue for a pullback. They've ran so much for so long now that they really should have a nice dip. And the put options have been so cheap lately that if they do finally drop, we could make a ton from them. Then with that profit, I would actually buy back in during the dip to hold for the next time these stocks go really high. Switching back to small cap stocks, I just sold my second and last Jumia call, again at a really nice profit like the first one. But because I still plan to hold it long term because I think it will be worth a lot more next bull market, I do need to buy back in sooner than later. Also, I mentioned buying and recommending Chewy the other day. It's actually moved up a little now, but my plan is to wait until it's 19, 20, or higher to sell it. And then I still want to hold some of it longer term as well. Spirit Airlines has continued to move up nicely. We started talking about it, buying it, and recommending it around $10 per share, and now it's up to $14. Hopefully the court will hurry up and make their decision on if it can do the merger or not. I have about $400 worth of calls that could be worth up to $5,000 if the court does approve the merger. I did, however, learn that the longer it takes, the more the price can be affected. For example, it may not actually jump to 32 or 34 per share, it may only jump to 28.50 per share. That's obviously still a great deal, however, especially with options leverage. And like I said before, and there's already news confirming this theory of mine, airlines should eventually recover to higher values with or without the merger.